Hey, it's Ethel Rough Country. Having the gear you need that is readily available is extremely important. With the Rough Country truck bed Molle system for the 2024 Tacoma, you can organize your gear and personalize your truck bed. Just a few hand tools and a power drill makes for a straightforward installation, so let's get into it. Let's start off by putting all the supplied clip nuts onto each of the top and bottom mounting brackets for the front bed panel. Next, we will remove the factory front bed accessory rail bolts with a T30 Torx. Install the top mounting brackets with the side that has no clip nut behind the rail. Tighten these down with the T30 Torx. Next, loosen the front bed bolts with a T55 Torx and slide the lower mounting brackets under the front bed bolts and washers. Tighten these back down with the same T55 Torx. Now that we have all of our brackets installed, we can now add the Molle panel using a 4mm Allen wrench and the supplied button head bolts. With the front bed panel installation complete, let's move to the driver and passenger side panels. Just like we did previously on the front panel, install supplied clip nuts onto each of the mounting brackets. Next, we will remove the factory side bed accessory rail bolts with a T30 Torx. Install the 4 mounting brackets with the side that has no clip nut behind the rail. Tighten these down with the factory bolts using your T30 Torx. Now install the panel onto the mounts with the supplied flat washers and button head bolts using a 4mm Allen wrench. Next, install the mounting brackets to the lower mounting slots of the Molle panel using the supplied button head bolts and flat washers and tighten them with the same 4mm Allen wrench. Using a paint pen, mark the location where the bracket meets the bed wall. Now remove the Molle panel and use a 13/32 bit to drill the marked locations with caution not to crack the bed wall. Now it's time to install the rivet nuts. Here we are using our Rough Country Nutsert tool, but you can also install them with the provided 6x30mm bolt, washer, and 8mm nut. With the rivet nuts installed, reinstall the panel using the supplied bolts and washers. With the driver's side complete, follow the same exact steps for the passenger side. Do a final run through to make sure all bolts are tight and the Molle panels are secure. Now with the Molle panel kit installed, you're ready to organize and personalize your Tacoma truck bed with all of your favorite Rough Country accessories. Get yours today at roughcountry.com.